Is this the best affiliate program for beginners? It might just be. We're going to talk about this program today. If you're not familiar with the channel, this is your first time here. We do videos literally every day. So it is at times hard to come up with the next video, but I've been doing a lot of videos on this topic recently, both on this channel and on my primary channel. And I think it finally clicked for me. For beginners, this might be one of the best affiliate opportunities out there. So we're just going to have an off-the-cuff conversation about why I like it, what you should be looking for in affiliate programs anyways, and a few other things that might be helpful. My name is Jake. I've done over $3 million online. I've been running my own online business at this point for the last 6 years. So if you have any desire to be running your own online business and have the time freedom that comes with this, I'm a great person to listen to. Nothing flashy, nothing crazy, nothing sexy, just simple business practices that allow you to live your life on your own terms. I have a free 10K training to hit consistent 10K months in the description if you want to check that out. Or if your business has already started growing I actually do work with people one-on-one. You're welcome to book a call and see if it's a good fit for you and I to work together. Literally zero pressure. We'll just have a conversation and talk about your business and see if it makes sense. But if you're a beginner, what should you be looking for in an affiliate program? I didn't decide this until right now. We're going to go through the elements of this first. I'm going to talk a little bit about the affiliate program that I started with and why it was phenomenal, a perfect program. And then I'm going to share with you what the program actually is. I have more content going deeper into the details of the program, but I mean, if I was starting today, I think I'd be hard pressed not to promote this. So let me go through the elements of it. Number one, I don't even remember the order of these, so we're going to find out as we go. No tech. This is huge, right? One of the biggest things that trip people up is the tech. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the best first skills to learn because you have to learn everything. Affiliate marketing is one of the hardest things to start with because you have to learn everything, right? So by that, I mean affiliate marketers literally do everything, right? Like we have to learn to write copy. We have to build our own funnel. We have to do ads, maybe. That's up to you. We have to do organic traffic. We literally learn all of the skills. Maybe we don't master them, but we at least understand them at a pretty good level. But what I love about this program is we don't have to do this. In fact, this program was specifically built to not need this because it was built for beginners. I'll talk a little bit later about why I started doing it because this is actually a challenge. It's a 90-day challenge that I am taking part in, though I'm not a beginner, but it does have benefits even if you're not a beginner. So no tech, it's literally designed to not have this piece. It's designed to help you start making money to prove the concept. And then once you do, then you can introduce the tech to make even more money on the back end, right? So not having tech is a huge win for beginners. Number two, you learn skills traffic. So like I said, as an affiliate marketer, you have to learn all of these skills and become competent at all of them. What I love with this program is it's only focused on a single skill, just traffic, which is the most important skill by far. If you can take traffic and point it somewhere, you will make money for the rest of your life. It is the top skill in business, maybe only associated with sales. But the ability to take traffic and direct it in a certain place is how you make money online. Right, so this program not only teaches you how to do it, it's the only thing that you're going to be doing over and over and over. You're going to get the reps in, you're going to learn the most valuable skill, which is going to be great for you, not only now, but in the future. Number three, it's actually 80% commission. So I'm gonna couple this with something else in a second, actually. Lifetime earning, I'm going to couple all of these together, and high ticket. I'm going to couple these three things together. So I'm going to tell a little bit of a story about the first affiliate program that I ever really got involved with. It was called a Legendary Marketer. I was a youth pastor at the time. I started doing Legendary Marketer on the side and made $200,000 of profit on top of a job that I was working between 60 and 80 hours a week. Like, I loved being a youth pastor. It was a blast. I spent so much time, but in my free time, this is the thing that I did. I made content. I pointed people to Legendary Marketer's front-end offer, the front-end offer. And this is the only thing this program doesn't have that would make it perfect. But this company does. This just isn't their front-end offer. But their front-end offer was like $7. So what I'm able to do is I say, hey, this is how I learned how to do how to do affiliate marketing. Let me show you. Here it is, $7. This is the challenge I went through. They go through that challenge, but I'm hands off once they start the challenge, right? I hand it over to the company handles all the work, and then I get commissions on everything that company sells on the back end. So, for example, they had I think they called it the business blueprint for like $2,500. Every time they sold that, I made $1,000. I think that was a 40% commission, but it was a higher ticket item. They also had coaching, they had masterminds, and you would get a cut of whatever they ended up buying on the back end. So that's what I mean by lifetime earnings, is like every affiliate program doesn't do this. A lot of times you send traffic to a place, you might make 50, 100, 200 bucks, and then you never get anything else from that customer again. I want to work with people who are going to pay me for life. I gave you that customer. I want more money, right? So we send traffic to this place. Not only are we going to make money on the first sale, but anything they buy from that same company in the future, we're going to make money on. Very important. High ticket's very important. I say a minimum of $500 is what I consider high ticket, but usually that's going to be in the range of $500 to $2,500. Obviously beyond that too. And then 80 commissions is really good, especially for a high ticket item, right? So what the offer is, it is Jonathan Montoya's your first $5,000 in 95 days. So the challenge is built so this is something you would both participate in and then can promote, because obviously there are a lot of things you can promote. You don't have to promote the challenge in order to join this, but what I'm saying might be the best affiliate program is this challenge, because it's so easy to promote. You can promote it to people like me who just are trying to learn how to do traffic on Facebook, or you can promote it to people who are absolute beginners just like you. So it's appealing to a lot of people, which is really good. It eliminates the tech. So the design from the whole thing is like just drive traffic on Facebook. They show you how to do it. They don't talk about funnels or autoresponders or copy or sales. They just talk about driving traffic. So no tech. We're traffic on Facebook, which is crazy right now, by the way. I have multiple videos on my main channel about this. This is a video on traffic, or on Facebook. This is a video on Facebook. This one addresses Facebook. It is unbelievable how much traffic is being driven on that platform right now. 80% commissions on a $500 sale. So whatever that ends up being, it's phenomenal. That's like super good. You're getting really good. And again, I consider $500 high ticket, but coupled with 80% commissions is really good, because their goal, which isn't a surprise, he straight up says it, their goal is for you to hit that $5,000, for you to get that success in the beginning, so then you're willing to buy more of their programs in the future. So you pay $500. The goal is to get you to $5,000. He gives you a crazy high commission because he wants you to have success. So he's able to sell you more of his products later, and you're able to make more money, right? So a lot of good faith on the front end to develop it on the back end. So it's also high ticket, and then you earn on anything else that's purchased. So let's say you go through me, you decide to purchase using the link in the description. If you were to buy one of his other programs a year from now, I would get a commission on that as well. So that's massive when you're getting commissions, not only on that first purchase, but on other things you bought that your customer buys in the future. Okay, so like, what is this challenge? First off, this is the Facebook group for it. Really, really good. What I'm going to encourage you to do is go down the link in the description. It's going to take you to this page. This is a full review I did on the 90-day challenge or sprint, whichever you want to call it. And then you can click this button to actually purchase it. But you also get all of these crazy bonuses from me if you decide to purchase through that link by going to this page and clicking this button. Like, I'm going to personally help you get that $5,000. I'm going to personally share some of your content. I'll add you into the Facebook group that I'm in, or the Facebook chat that I'm in, of people who are sharing each other's content. I'm going to help you because you went through my link. That's just how it is. Again, this video is going to go more into the challenge. It's also going to go more into my bonuses. So if you're looking for a great program to promote, I really think it's hard to find great programs to promote. And this is just one that I think is really good that anyone can do. Jonathan also has like a big reputation. He's got like 100,000 people on YouTube, which allows him to have that level of credibility too. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I think this is a great affiliate program for beginners right now, today. We'll see how long he continues to run this. I don't know the answer to that, but I hope you'll at least go check out the review that I made on it. Hopefully it'll be helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.